Curious about a career in accounting? In this video, we'll talk about what accountants do, why they're essential to the economy, what skills you will need for this career, industries you can expect to work in, schools and programs that will equip you for an accounting career, and other resources. So, what exactly is accounting? Accounting, also known as accountancy, is the practice of documenting, classifying, and reporting financial transactions of a business. Transactions, such as customer invoices or employee paychecks, are documented on accounting records called a general ledger in a process known as bookkeeping. These transactions are classified into unique journal entries belonging to different types of accounts maintained by the business. For example, sales, debt, and accounts payable or receivable. Accounting information is important because it provides a report of how a business is performing, which can ultimately be used to improve the business. Almost every business, no matter how big or small, practices accounting principles. Where smaller firms may have a single accountant or bookkeeper managing their transactions, larger organizations often have a dedicated and sizable department with dozens of accountants working for them. Considering how diverse accounting practices can be, the daily duties of an accountant may also vary by their position and specific practices. However, the most fundamental task for any accountant is to ensure the accuracy of financial documents. As qualified professionals, accountants are responsible for auditing, recording transactions, and analyzing financial health of a business. Moreover, because of their depth of business knowledge, accountants are also sought for financial advice on tax laws or investment opportunities. Accountants contribute a great deal towards the betterment of the economy and society. Sound accounting practices and high-quality reporting are paramount to ensure transparency in the financial markets. This creates a safe investment environment and increases investors' confidence within the economy. Check out this video on the day in the life of an accountant. The link will be found in the description below. Skills needed for a career in accounting. You will need a mixture of technical and interpersonal skills to excel as an accountant. The core skills required for success are analytical skills to understand the bigger picture behind numbers, verbal and written communication skills to report your work in a transparent and comprehensive fashion, organizational skills, because accounting is all about multitasking, information technology skills to equip yourself with all the right tools, and detail orientation, because a lot of accounting is about paying attention to the little details. Industries that require accountants. The following industries need accountants the most: accounting services, finance, insurance, management of companies and enterprises, and government. Some of the most common titles and roles held by accountants are tax preparer, accounting clerk, cost accountant, certified financial planner, auditor, tax consultant, budget analyst, financial analyst, and real estate appraiser. Economic outlook. The top 3 highest paying states for accountants are Washington with an annual salary of $60,451, Maryland with an annual salary of $59,427, and Nebraska with an annual salary of $58,213 for accountants. Check out the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics website in the description to see the data for your state or the state you're interested in working in. Your next steps. If you're enthusiastic about a career in accounting, there are multiple ways to get started. The most common approach is obtaining a Bachelor's of Accountancy degree, which is a principal academic degree in accountancy and is often the only undergraduate degree recognized for subsequent practices as a professional accountant. A few institutions offering great accounting programs include the University of Florida, Stanford University, and the University of Georgia. You can also opt for a 2-year associate's degree from institutions such as Santa Fe College, Indiana Wesleyan University, and Liberty University. You can use a directory to search for relevant institutions in your desired state. You'll find a link to a directory in the description below. If online learning is your preference, you can apply for programs offered by schools like Arizona State University, Colorado State University, and the University of Alabama. If you're interested in accounting as a career, you can check out some of the schools mentioned here. Visit their websites and search for more information. You can also contact the program representatives, and I'm sure they'll be happy to provide you with more information on their school and the admission process. Most of the schools I have mentioned here also offer financial aid and scholarships should you happen to need help funding your studies. The ball is in your court now. Do your research. Talk to your guidance counselors at school or professionals who can help you understand more about the field. Research schools and programs that would be a good fit for you. And most importantly, believe in yourself and keep your dreams alive. Please share this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.